Hello and welcome to Lloyd Self Lakes BMW. Today we have this X3 xDrive20d xLine. This car's finished off in Sophisto grey metallic and is a June 2019 registered vehicle. This particular car has got the 19-inch Y-spoke alloy wheel, silver finish. Ties very nicely with that lower sill and the window surrounds there of the xLine disguise. Also has some protection glass here in the rear. An element of privacy for the rear of the car, as well as a UV element to help protect the rear passengers from some of those harmful UV rays. Power tailgate as standard. It's a generation of X3. Opens up to that 40-20-40 split folding seat arrangement. Lots of handy cupboard holes and storage hooks. The car's got a rubber boot liner in as well. Extra storage underneath there as well. Big bin, and that front section is actually where you can clip in the load cover. So if you do need that through load capability, you can stow the load cover away in the vehicle. So not having to find anywhere extra to put it. Into the rear of the car. A black Vernasca leather running throughout. Some nice detailing, the contrast stitching for these seats. See some of the ambient lighting system there, working that door card, that orange glow. Rear passengers also have their own climate control setting, so it's a full free-zone system in the X3. So a full climate control system there for the rear of the car. To the front, I've got the analog dials, that digital lowest section, the BMW ID6 iDrive entertainment system there. Choose on car control on the front, as I said, a free-zone in this vehicle. Heated front seats, it's a fabulous 8-speed automatic gearbox. Obviously paddles on the steering wheel there to take manual control if you so wish. And if you'd like a more detailed video of this vehicle or any more information on this car, please do let us know, and one of our sales executives will be more than happy to help.